Alright guys, so what's up? More EP3 project work. Today, getting rid of this crappy wing. You're gonna put on a Mugen wing. Why not? Two, I did get this wing for like 50 bucks, so it does need a lot of work. I'm just putting it on to see how it fits. That's the only reason I'm putting it on right now. I'm gonna need to probably repaint this and use Bondo and sand it down and just redo it all. I did get it for like 50 bucks, so it is in crappy conditions. I don't want anybody going, oh, you got a crappy wing, you should. I know it's crappy, but I paid 50 bucks for it. I don't care. If it fits, we're good. Two, I haven't done this before, so if I put this on wrong, let me know. So, alright guys, let's go ahead. Only thing I did so far was popped up the trunk. I actually don't think you need too many tools for this, actually. The only thing I did so far was pull this little plastic piece down and disconnected the brake pad, the brake light. It appears, from what I looked at right so far, it looks like we need maybe some 10mm screws, and then the wing should come off. So we're gonna try that. So let's go grab a 10, and let's get to work. Alright guys, so from what I've seen, what I'm guessing is there's two push penny thingies. These are like little things you just have to squeeze and they pop in. There should be two bolts here. As you can see, mine's broke. And then there's two screws on the end. So it looks pretty simple to come off, but I heard something fall off. Yeah, so I guess these are like little screws that go in that I probably didn't need to take these off. The wing probably could have slid out without them. But the question is, a new wing, how does that work? Alright guys, so this is the new wing. Let's just kind of set this down here, get a good look at it. Alright, so I guess this sits on here like so. So, not too bad. So I guess we're going to try to get this to work. The biggest thing was just this lining up on the trunk, because I know this is like one of the cheapo rep ones. I figured it wasn't going to line up, so probably took precaution in that. So let's see here. Oh, stays up there. Oh, perfect. Alright guys, so had to run to the hardware store. Did not have bolts long enough to get, I guess, the factory bolts from, I don't know, see, once again, I don't know, I'm probably buying trash. But mine doesn't have the bolt holes that hold it here, and mine has bolt holes here. So I basically had to buy screws that fit here, 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 and here, where I know the factory ones is two here and one on both sides. Not sure why that happened. I guess whoever had it before me, they plugged these two holes off. So I had to go get some longer screws from the hardware store. But yeah, other than that though, probably just plug this bad boy back up. Stick this back up here. Alright, and let's see how it looks. Not bad, not bad. It doesn't line up here the best, but I'm not mad with it. I'll probably need to repaint it, but yeah, it's pretty close, but paint looks like so. Alright guys, well, clean install of our crappy Mugen wing. So +1 to it. Next mods to come, not sure, but keep working on it. Alright guys, later.